DJT stock analysis, update, am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1-minute video. So watch till the end. Simply put, Trump media for me is quite bullish, and I'm going to show you the exact way that I am approaching this from a buying perspective. All I'm sticking to is a strategy that's given me thousands of repetitions, and I've documented everything. Overall, big announcement, elections coming. I think you already know this, but that's going to be a big day on DJT. They're very positive or very negative. And in the meantime, until then, I'm willing to day-slash swing trade it and see what I can catch. One way to go about this right now is obviously aim for the highs, but I'm only interested in the buys like this. And obviously I'll only could get in buys like this if there's like a cool retracement lower. And honestly, I'm in a very, very big need of that. Right? I just want to be jumping in trends and buys here on DJT before election, but if the rules are not met, I'm not pulling the trigger. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, then click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.